Ken Payne Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. Manufacturers are now starting to make luxury vinyl plank in two formats, the glue down format and the click together format. Is one better than the other? Wrong question. The question is, what's the best solution for your house? The Click Together product is easy to install, a kind of a do-it-yourself product. Sometimes handymen and contractors can do it. They need to make sure that your floor conditions are right, and you need to realize that you're gonna have to leave a gap around the perimeter of the room where you're gonna put up shoe molding or you'll pull and replace baseboards. A glue-down product, on the other hand, can go right to the baseboards. You don't have to pull them off. You don't have to leave expansion. It's a much easier floor to repair because you can actually peel up the planks like a Post-it. On the other hand, you really have to have a very smooth floor because any unevenness in that floor, any irregularity is going to telegraph through. Between glue down and click product, there really is no difference in terms of price or look. So it's not one size fits all. Some floors can take a glue down and will benefit from that. Some floors are going to benefit more from a click product. We are happy to consult with you, come out to your home, and try to determine what the best choice is for you. Ken Payne, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods.